welcome to our Precalculus class. Today I will teach you how evaluate logarithms using properties. I will to solve a couple of problems. We have one here, evaluated log 1 over 1000. Okay, remember the logarithms of x. I will to remember this. The logarithms with the base b. Okay, okay, the logarithms of x, right? Of x with the base b is defined as log b, log x with the base b equals y. So this is if only if b to the y power equals x. This is very important, group. Here where x is greater than 0, right? And b greater than 0 too, and b is a different of 1. So this is very important ideas. Another thing that I would like to share with you is about the common logarithms uses. We are talking about the common logarithm, the common logarithm uses base 10. Okay, uses base 10. The common logarithm also like I told you, you are able to write it like this: log, this is the base 10, right, equals logarithmic x with the base 10, okay, equals y. So it's usually written like log x equals y, like this. We don't have, without use the base 10, we don't have to write the base 10. Okay. So this is in general about our class today. So now go ahead and let's try to evaluate this first problem. So notice this, that this is a common logarithm. This is a common logarithm. This is a common logarithm. Okay, this is a common logarithm. All right, I explain it to you with the base base 10. Okay, this is one thing. This is another thing that is important to remember. And another thing, this is 1 over 1000. This number can be written or written as a power of 10. Power of 10. Okay, very important. So now let x equals the value of the logarithm, the value of the logarithm. So like our problem, like log of 1 over 1000, okay, equals x, x, okay. Now convert the next step, convert the logarithm equation to the exponential equation. So next step here, convert the logarithm equation to the exponential equation. All right, this is the next step. Okay, here it's very important. Follow all the steps. So now just write here 10 like to the exponential equation equals 1 over 1000. All right. So now set up the equation equal. So set up the equation equal. This step, where is the equation equal? So we are able to write it here. 1 over 1000 equals 10 to the negative third power. Okay, negative third power. All right. So next step, just write down here 10 to the x power equals to the 10 to the negative 3. Actually it's this one. All right, this one. Now it's easy to find the answer. Right now you simplify here, just write it x, this variable x will be equals negative 3, right? So x is negative 3. Then, so as a conclusion, the log 1 over 1000 is equals negative 3, right? Negative 3. See, I hope you understand the step. Let's do another example. Let me write another example to be more specific or more clear about our topic today. So we are talking about the common logarithm. Let's do another example. Let's write it, evaluate it. Log of 6 or 1/6 with the base 6 equals x. All right. So here, notice that 1/6 can be written. 6 can be written as a power of 6. So let's first step. 1/6 can be written as a power the power of 6. Okay, so now let x equals so x, we are talking about x equals the base of the logarithms of the logarithm. What is a logarithm? Logarithm is log. Let's write a log right here with the base of 1/6 with the base 6 equals x. Right, like that. So now next step, convert I write it all the step. Very, very simple. Convert. Okay, convert the logarithmic equation. The logarithm equation to the exponential equation. Okay, this is a step. So after this, just write it. We are ready to solve it. Our problem. Just write here. Let me. Right here. Let's write 6x. 6 to the x power equals to 1/6. All right. Yeah, we have it here. This step very clear, very specific. Okay. So now next here will be equals 1/6. So 1/6 will be equals. Remember, we are able to write as a power of 6. To write it, 6 to the negative 1 right here, because it's a 1/6. So this will be equals 1 to negative 1. Negative 1, all right? The step by step. So now here in this side, set up. Let me do this little corner right here, the rest of or finish the solution of the problem. So now set up the exponential equal. All right? Exponential equals. So what is that? So what I mean this is just write it 6x, right, equals 6 like this to the negative 6, right? Remember this step, this is equal, so now we are able to write it like this. Okay? So now x here will be equals to the negative 1. Okay? You do all the step. So our conclusion, our answer, log 1/6 with the base 6 is equals negative 1. This is our conclusion to our problem. Remember, we did the first one. Hopefully all these steps help you to understand our class, the common logarithms using properties. I did it step by step, okay? Very clear, very simple. So that's it for today, our class for Precalculus. So thank you so much. I waiting for